If you like to kiss someone, ensure you have their consent first. By flirting and gauging their response. Or simply asking them directly. May I kiss you? Then, move in closer and tilt your head slightly to avoid bumping noses. Close your eyes. Part your lips slightly. And allow your lips to meet naturally. Start with gentle pressure on your lips. And avoid pressing too hard. If your first kiss goes well, place your partner's bottom lip between your lips so that they fit together. Afterward, softly run your tongue along your partner's lower lip. If they seem to enjoy it, try gradually introducing your tongue into their mouth. Take it slow and don't rush things. Remember to breathe through your nose while kissing to avoid running out of breath. Initially, kissing may feel a bit uncomfortable, but with practice, it will get better. If you anticipate kissing someone, apply some chapstick and suck on a mint beforehand too. Ensure that your lips and breath are fresh.